Well, let's go for a ride. As you notice, the seatbelt buzzer keeps buzzing. It'll go out after a while, but it's kind of annoying. And the red light stays on, and I have no idea how to get rid of that red light. I've tried hooking up the seat belts and everything else, and it just seems like it just doesn't want to, you know, go away. Anyway, we'll take a drive around the neighborhood here, get off this gravel driveway. What I really like about this car is the way it handles. It is really, it's really a true sports car, especially when you take it around corners. It really hugs the corners really well. Just a short little trip around the subdivision, and basically roads aren't that great around here, but they suffice. Just want to point out also that this is a aftermarket Kenwood stereo that I replaced. It's got an awesome sound because it's hooked up to the rest of the speaker system. It was a plug-and-play edition, and let's see if we can get it going here. But anyway, it's got awesome sound, and it's a great radio. It's got a CD player. Apparently this car came equipped with must have been a multiple change type CD player in the back, but someone removed it. But I really like this radio because the other one didn't work, and I still have the original if somebody wants to go back to a stock radio. But this one's so awesome, I don't know why I'd want to change it. But anyway, that's our drive. Thanks for watching.